This is the new X-Carve CNC machine. I will be making a proper review video of it soon, but it deserves a considered review, and I'm still getting to know it, so I'm not going to rush into that right now. In the meantime, this is my first project with it. I made some quick drawers for the kitchen recently, but they need some drawer fronts. I offered a couple of designs to Sandra, and she chose the seascape one. I think only because there wasn't a horse option.
Playing ball with the drawer knob.
Because this is my first attempt at cutting with the X-Carve, I kept the design really simple and drew it out in a vector drawing program called Coral Draw. The X-Carve is controlled by a program called Easel, which accepts SVG files, so I converted my drawing to SVGs and uploaded them to the Easel program. Lots of settings to select and steps to take, buttons to push, and then it's ready to go. First, move the spindle into position. Turn it on, stand back, and away it goes. I chose some Paulownia wood that a friend brought back from Germany for me. He's growing these trees near here, but they're still very young. Apparently it's common in other countries, but I've never even seen it before, let alone worked with it. It's not very exciting to look at, but it seems very strong and light. And it cut fine. I set the cutting speed quite low with shallow cuts while I learn what this machine can do. It took 3 passes to reach the 4mm depth I'd asked it to do, and then it came back and cut out the portholes. What fun! Then I turned the board over and cut another one, hoping that they wouldn't overlap and mess everything up. The plan was to cut the pieces free of the board with the bench saw, but the saw blade wasn't tall enough, so there was a gap in between in the middle. And the band saw wasn't tall enough either, so I ended up having to cut the edge off so it would go through. After that, they all needed a little bit of sanding, but not too much. Then I cut up a piece of Douglas Fir as the background. Douglas Fir is available here and is beautiful wood, but hard on tools and very heavy. I glued the pieces on and left them overnight. Lining up the fronts is always a little tricky, but anyone who knows us through these videos knows we're really not very fussy people. I find putting the handle on first is the easiest way, and then make sure that they're level with a couple more screws afterwards. A couple of coats of Danish oil to finish, and they're done. I'm not sure how well the design really works. Do the knobs look strange? I don't know. But I can always change it. And the main thing is that I have managed my first CNC project, and it is very exciting. The possibilities are enormous. I hope to use it for the donut machine, and the guitar machine, and a lot of other things too. But it's been a steep learning curve, and there have been quite a lot of teething troubles, and 1 or 2 swear words were heard apparently. No idea who that could have been though.